Good morning, everyone. This is Spencer Bunting, Clarkson High School IB program, class of 2012, coming to you from the sleepy town of Koshu in Yamanashi Prefecture, Japan. Koshu is famous for its fruit, wine, and mountainous terrain, including Mount Fuji, but more on how I wound up here in a moment. I would just like to say how grateful and humbled I am to have been invited by the Clarkson Foundation to chat with you all today. Over the past 4 years, I have had the privilege of studying, working, and living in South Korea, Hong Kong, and Japan. I had never imagined that by the age of 22, I would have interned at Seoul's most awarded corporate law firm, had numerous conversations with the ambassador of the United States to South Korea, as well as his British counterpart, or become a Japanese government employee. I owe much of my experiences to the support of my family and to the marvelous education I received from the dedicated educators of Clarkson schools. Without their guidance and the broad worldview presented by the IB program, I highly doubt I would have had the confidence to forego University of Michigan to seek a college education abroad. This choice has forced me to learn how to navigate cultural and linguistic barriers galore, and even though I did not always succeed at first, I was glad to have the opportunities to grow as a global citizen. Now, I currently work for the Japan Exchange and Teaching Program, or JET for short. JET was founded by the Ministries of Foreign Affairs, Internal Communication, and Education in order to promote grassroots globalization and person-to-person intercultural exchange across the nation of Japan. Celebrating its 30th year, JET has sent over 1,100 Americans this year alone to work as assistant language teachers, primarily in rural areas. My participation in JET also means that, as of this year, I have joined the ranks of educators at public schools. Any of those present who had the task of educating me might have mixed feelings to know this, and I can assure you I do as well. Nonetheless, I am blessed to have had so many positive role models from Clarkson schools, and it is my sincere intention to do you all proud. During my time here, I sincerely hope to help foster the development of the skills and attitudes necessary for my students to engage meaningfully with the outside world. After participating in JET for 2 years, I intend to further my own academic goals by enrolling in graduate school in the U.S. for law or foreign service. I have been asked to comment on the skills that have aided me in my endeavors and the skills that could be focused on additionally at Clarkson schools. For me personally, curiosity and opportunity recognition have been essential. A student can never know what they truly want unless they strive to learn as much as they can about whatever interests them. Once multiple avenues have been explored, a student has to figure out what they want to achieve, and then they should next identify who would be most beneficial to talk to about this, what to ask them, and to learn how to prepare to seize such an opportunity. Discovering what ignited this drive and surrounding myself with individuals of similar interests has been essential to my well-being, and I am certain that I am not alone in this regard. In terms of preparing Clarkson students for challenges that lay ahead, I've observed 2 notable trends that employers and graduate schools often look for in a candidate. Firstly and foremost, mastery of foreign languages often opens entire worlds of intellectual exploration, interpersonal relationships, and career opportunities to fresh graduates that are otherwise inaccessible. Of course, to make full use of said language abilities and to motivate learners, it is imperative that they have the opportunity to travel to their corresponding country of interest, which can be a challenge. Making scholarships or subsidized school trips available to students for this purpose can pay incredible dividends in terms of their future development. Secondly, coding and programming were once described to me by one of my professors as the new literacy, and for good reason. At the 3 startup companies I have interned at, I have witnessed firsthand how those of my colleagues that were capable of coding added immense value with their skill. They often conceived of and executed programs that expedited the completion of various tasks and at times whole projects, saving countless hours and eliminating errors. In my opinion, coding is a life skill that should be taught to as many students as possible as early as possible in order to prepare them for the demands of the future and empower them to hone their logical thinking and creative problem-solving abilities in a practical and useful manner. I know this was brief, but I would like to end with an invitation. To any and all teachers of Japanese at Clarkson Junior High School and Clarkson High School, if you are interested in participating in a class-wide cultural exchange video series between your classes and my students at Katsunuma Junior High School, please email me at sfbunting 1@gmail.com. Thank you all so much for having me, and have a fantastic day. Thank you and goodbye.